What's up everyone? Today I'm going to be teaching you how to disassemble a bolt-action VSR-10 sniper rifle. This is a very simple repair, you can do it yourself. Now what you want to do here is first you need to have your large Phillips head screwdriver, a small Phillips head screwdriver, and a 4mm Allen wrench. Those are all the tools that you will need to complete this repair by yourself. It also helps, actually, to have a rag right here, like this, to wipe off your fingers or the gun in case it gets oily. So the first thing you want to do is you're going to take out this scope here, set that aside, then you can flip it over, take the magazine out, and just, okay. The next thing you want to do is take your 4mm Allen wrench and loosen the Allen screws at the back and front of the mag. On my particular rifle, there's one here on the rail, and there's another one back here behind the mag. So once we've got these screws out, take a large Phillips head screwdriver and get this screw that's right here behind the trigger guard. And now we can slip the top half off of the bottom half. Then we have two separate halves. Now this top half here, with the magazine, there we go, finally cuts out, can be set aside back here. Now we have this upper half, upper receiver. Now we're going to take a small Phillips head screwdriver here, detach this screw right here, so that we can take the barrel off. The barrel just untwists like this. And we have our inner barrel in here and our power section in here. In order to get to the power section, we take our screwdriver, loosen the screws on the trigger assembly, then we can unscrew here the piston head, unscrew the piston head. Now as you take this out, you're going to want to be careful, probably put your hand in front of it, because this thing can go flying everywhere. There we go. We have our piston, our spring, and our spring guide right here. And then we have our little O-ring, and our bolt and bolt handle, bolt case, and then finally the trigger assembly. That's all for the power section. We'll move these aside. For the accuracy section here, you want to take a screwdriver. There's screws here and here. You take a screwdriver, unscrew this screw from right here, and unscrew this screw from right here, and that comes off. We're going to unscrew our hop-up adjustment. You should be able to unscrew our hop-up adjustment arm right here. Now it's coming off, it just takes a second. There we go. And now we can slide the barrel and hop-up chamber out of the gun. There you have it. How to disassemble a bolt-action VSR-10 airsoft rifle. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more airsoft content, and I'll see you later.